Hi my dear children, today we are going to see the lesson number 20, Whose Forest. சரிங்களா, this lesson starts in the page number 182. Okay, in this lesson we are going to read about Churyamani's history. சரிங்களா, daughter of the jungle. Look at the picture. What do you think these children are of to? Okay, with little bundles of their sticks. When could you find out you two could want to them? Okay, the children are going to the forest. There are jump, run, climb trees and sing songs in the village called Gudak. சரிங்களா, they pick the fallen flowers and leaves to wave them into necklace. சரிங்களா, necklace மாதிரி they will wear. Okay, they enjoy the wild fruits they took for birds those called by imitate, joining them in all the funs. Their favorite daddy Churyamani. Okay, every Sunday Churyamani takes the children to the forest. Yes, they move around. She shows them how to recognize the trees, recognize the plants and recognize the animals. Children enjoy this special class in a forest. Churyamani always says to learn to read the forest as important as reading books. She says we are the forest people, Adivadis. Okay, our village are linked to the forest. If the forest are not there, we too will not remain. Okay, then take next page. Discuss questions. I will explain in later. Okay, growing up. Churyamani loves the forest since she was a child. Churyamani loves his forest and when she was in a child. She could not able to direct road to school, but could she choose the path through the forest. Okay, she uses the path by the forest. Okay, Churyamani's father had a small field. Her family used to collect leaves and herbs from the forest and sell these in a bazaar. Her mother could weave baskets from bamboo or make leaf plates out of the fallen leaves. Okay, but now no one pick a single leaf from the forest. That is since Chambu, the contractor, came there. The people of Churyamani village were afraid of the contractor. Everyone except Bhautiyamai. She could say, we the people of this forest have a right to do the forest right to do. We look after our forest. We could not cut trees like contractors. Okay, the forest is like our collective bank, not yours or mine alone. Okay, you take 184. In 184, Churyamani's father could go longer support the family on the small land. He moved to the town in the search of work, but things did not improve. Sometimes there could be some food in some house. At times, Mania uncle could send some grains from the small shop to Churyamani's house. Okay, Chacha tried hard and get admission for Churyamani in the school in Basanpur. Okay, Basanpur. Here they could not to pay and pay for the fees, uniforms and schools. Churyamani could have to stay there and study. Okay, Churyamani did not want to leave her village and the forest. but Mania Chacha was prim. Okay, if you did not study, what will you do? Go hungry. Churyamani could argue, why should I go hungry? The jungle is there to help, she was telling. Okay, then Chacha tried to explain, but we was being moved away from their forest. Even the forests are disappearing. In their places, mines were being dug, dams were being built. Believe me, it is the important part to study to understand about the laws. Maybe then you could help to save our forest. Young Churyamani listened and tried to understand some of words he said. Okay, then Churyamani's journey. Churyamani's journey had started. Churyamani was filled with joy on seeing the school at Bagisanpur. The school was near a thick forest. Churyamani studied hard and passed her BA degree and get a scholarship. She was the first girl in the village to do this. Okay, while she was in a college, she met Vaisavidadi, a journalist. Churyamani soon joined her to work for the Jharkhand Jungle Bioglodon. Okay, it is the forest college. This work took Churyamani to far off towns and cities. Her father did not like her, but Churyamani continued his work. Not only that, she also started to fight for the rights of the village people. Yes, her childhood friend Vijay helped her in the work. Churyamani had another friend Mirchi who stayed with her day and night. Churyamani would share all their thoughts and dreams with Mirchi. Mirchi should listen and say Kiki. Yes? Okay. Churyamani had a dream for her Kudak community. She wanted all her people to feel proud of being Adivasi. Okay. Then Churyamani's Tarang. Churyamani was 21 when she opened a center with the help of Vaisvi, Daddy and others. She called it Tarang, which means jungle in the Kudak language. Okay, Kudak language. Churyamani wanted that on festivals people should sing their own songs. They should not forget their music and should enjoy wearing their traditional clothes. Children should also learn about herbs, medicines and art of making things from bamboo. Okay, bamboo. Children should learn the language of school, but must link it with their own language. All this happens in the Torang Center. Many special books about the Kudak community and other Adivasis have been collected. Flutes and different type of drums are also kept there. Yes, whenever something is unfair or if someone is afraid that his land and childhood could be taken away, they turn to Churyamani. Churyamani fights for everyone's right. Churyamani and Vijay had get married and work together. Today their work is praised by the people. She is invited even to other countries to share her experience. People of her area are also raising their voice for a new forest law. Remaining part I will take in Google Meet class. Bye to everyone.